everybody. Today I decided to do a really soft Easter springy look. So if you want to find out how to get this look, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you who are new, I am Mandy and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so today I figured I would do the Easter spring look, but I wanted something soft. I wanted to use the pastel colors, but I didn't want to go too loud with it, so I did do a softer look. That way it's a little bit more natural and beginners can wear this no problem. It's just one little pop of loud color on the lower lash line, but I think it turned out beautiful. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, today we're going to do a soft pastel look. So the first shade is Creamsicle in the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's more of a yellow undertone color. I just absolutely love it. So we're going to use this for a transition shade and we're going to put this all across the eye. Okay, and now this is the Makeup Revolution. This is my cream concealer palette and I'm using the one with the pink undertone to just kind of cut out half of my lid. I'm going to use this just so the color that I do use on my lid will stick a little bit better and it will help stay on there a little bit longer through the day. You don't have to do this part if you don't, if you don't like to use concealer on your lids. You can use a primer or whatever, or you could just put the color straight to it. This is the Color Workshop palette. I've had this palette for years, but there is a pink in there, and I think it is the perfect color pink for a spring look, for this Easter look that I'm doing. I mean, I just absolutely love these pastel colors. And I'm going to put this on my lid. Now this is a matte shade, so I am going to put a topper on top of it. And I just wanted to go ahead and get this all over the whole part of the lid. Okay, now this is the shade Sissy in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now this one is about the same shade pink as I just laid on my lid. It just does have the shimmer in it, so I did lay that on top for a topper. Now this shade, I forgot the name of it. I will write it on here, but I just use this on the middle part of the lid, and it is just like a pink highlighter tone. And I'm going back in with Creamsicle, and I'm going to focus this one on my outer V and just blend it right over top of the color on the lid. And then when most of the color is off, you could go ahead and dust it all the way across. Now this is like a green shade in the Color Workshop palette, and I wanted to build that yellow up just a little bit stronger. I don't have that much of the green on this brush, but I did go on the outer V with it just to give it a little bit more depth. And of course the tape comes off, and we are going to take Jada and put on our lower lash line. Now this is like a teal green, and I think it is the perfect spring Easter color. And I am going to use this on my lower lash line just to give it a pop of color. And of course I'm just kind of stamping this across the whole lower lash line, and then we'll take another brush and blend it out a little bit. And this is the LA Colors. This is a loose shimmer eyeshadow. I absolutely love it. It is a gold shade. It's called Sunshine. It is that perfect yellow gold I'm going to use for just to highlight my inner corner. And then of course my Ciate London. This is my black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to put this on the top lash line. And then of course I am going to fill in that little piece on the outer corner, and then I'm going to take this LA Colors cream pencil, and this is of course in the shade white, and I'm going to lay this on the lower lash line. Now when you do this, it's just a trick to make your eyes look bigger. And now we are just going to take the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and use, I think I used 2 coats for this look. And of course you do want to curl your lashes before you add any mascara if you have lashes like mine that just want to stick straight out. And of course, I put a little bit on my lower lashes. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope you try this look out for yourself. And guys, that is it for this video. This is the finished look. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I hope it was easy enough for beginners to do along with everybody else. I mean, I think it is a pretty natural look. I didn't go too loud. I am planning to do one of those. I just want to bring those pastels just a little bit more brighter and give them a pop of color. And I did want this one to look more of a natural color. I did use greens and yellows and pinks. Those Easter spring colors that everybody loves. So if you enjoyed this look, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye.